guys, I'm back with another new video. Today I'm going to talk about holiday season must-have products this season. Firstly, I would give a big shout out to the brand called Cozy Earth. I have been loving their bed sheets. It has perfect sleeping temperature, softest fabric guaranteed. I have a special discount code Mermaid45. Avail that code to get exclusive discount on your order. The next one that I'm showing right now is this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. I love this because it's very sleek, comes with a spoolie and helps in defining my brows pretty well. Next is this LA Girl Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. Makes my life so easy when I am on the go or I have to dress up very fast. I don't have to use separately glue and glitter. This is just one product and that's all. I also highly recommend a glitter kohl liner. This is from Rimmel, London. Love this for defining my lower lash line. Then the next two products are my personal favorites this season. I'm going to mix Clean Glowing Multi-Stick from Sephora with Colourpop blush sticks in the shade Under Pressure. When you mix both the products, it creates a beautiful cream blush that adds natural flush to the cheeks. I love it this season, especially my skin looks more healthy. These LA Colors Nude Scene Lip Gloss set must have this season. Get it for just $5 at CVS. I first applied a nude, pinky nude kind of a liquid lipstick, and once it gets matte, I applied the Coral lip gloss. I love the combination, goes well with my outfit. And then my current favorite is this Victoria's Secret Coconut Milk and Rose Fragrance Mist. Love it, it's so feminine. If you're looking for an anti-static hair product, get this. This is a lifesaver. This is the Frizz Killer Serum from L'Oreal. Saves your hair from heat as well as makes your hair look very smooth. This Laktoi kurti from March Clothing Company. I love the vibrance of this kurti. I'm tired of seeing dark shades, maroons and black, so wanted a pop of color, so here it is. I hope you all liked this video of mine. Give this video a thumbs up and see you all again very soon. Bye.